Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to not just attempt, but we will definitely save this item. Let's go! Okay, so as you can see, we have here a pre-loved, pre-used bag of Ultra Pro. Okay, I got this online for cheap. Okay, I'm also part of the Mage Knight community in the Philippines, at least in the Facebook. And one of the users there was selling this one. I think Sir Chris was the one who was selling it. So I was happy to take it off his hands, primarily because it is bombarded with logos like WizKids, Mech Warrior, and of course our favorite game, Heroclix. Okay, I love Mage Knight. I was first a Mage Knight player before I became a Heroclix player. Okay, so having all of the symbols here is truly an icing. Okay, so I plan to use this in my weekend Heroclix, especially if I'm only bringing my team and a few figures. Okay, I have a bigger bag, but sometimes public transportation would be difficult if I have the entire big bag. Okay, and you can see here the condition is not so bad. All the zippers I think are working. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, so there's a pouch here. Okay, and it's still working. Good condition, at least. So this might need some cleaning, minor cleaning, and it might be good to go. So the strap is here. Okay, shoulder thingy is still intact. Okay, still intact. The back is dirty, and then all the tassels are still here. And inside, oh, you can see the zipper is still working. Okay, so it's definitely good for the price. I got it for around 200 pesos, I think, or 300 pesos. That would just be $5. Okay, so definitely, but the padding, as you can see, not so much. There's a chip here. Okay, and the slots are all here. And yeah, 1 2 3 4 16 slots altogether. There are some worn out slots, but other than that, let's see, it's double layer. So this one is for smaller one, and this one is for big ones. 1 2 3 9 big ones. I imagine this would fit the double base figures, the peanut bases. Okay, so it's all here, and that's the box or the bag's end. And we can even see the logo. It's made in China. So anyway, so I'm gonna clean this up, and then we'll see we'll put some items afterwards. Okay, so wait up. This is the before, and let's transition to the after. Okay, so we have dissected the contents of our bag. So we're gonna put the bag inside the pillow, this pillow, and afterwards it will be placed in the laundry. Okay, gentle wash. And then this one, we'll probably soak it in water with soap, and we'll hand wash it or just let it dry out. Hope this works. In you go. I hope you get clean out soon. We're putting water, and then later on we'll put some detergent. Bubbles! inside the pillowcase into the laundry so that we can gentle wash it. Let's go. Okay, we are air drying them. Air drying them. Okay, so this is the after cleaning of our purchase bag. And as you can see, it's cleaner now, but there's a portion here on the bottom left that is not affected by the laundry. Okay, I tried to use alcohol as well and rub it up, but that doesn't seem to work. So I'll try some few more methods. Maybe you can suggest in the comment. But overall, I'm happy with the restoration that we did. It smells really nice now thanks to the fabric conditioner. And all the parts are still functional. Okay. I've even placed some Heroclix inside just to have a better sense of how it looks. Okay, so you can see here cleaner plate. Okay, I would probably look for a replacement because there's a good chip here, but for now this will suffice. The first layer would be for the smaller figures like this one, so you can see Dazzler and Pog or Pog here. If it's vertically fit, better this way. Okay, this one also works standing up for smaller figures. And the second layer would be for the bigger figures. We have here as an example a peanut base figure. Okay, either standing up or like this. Okay, and of course bigger figures can be slanted just to fit, just like Whiskid here. Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed our journey of restoring this I would say Heroclix memorabilia. Until the next one, bye bye. Zoom.